This is Flowers and Ampersands Creativity Kit from Altenew. This is a specially curated collection of products created to inspire your creativity. Create beautiful projects combining flowers, butterflies and ampersands. The stamps, dies, stencil and embellishments in this kit all work together perfectly to create a plethora of different projects, be that cards, journals, scrapbook pages or even home decor. In the kit you will receive vintage flowers stamp and die bundle, spring garden stencil, mega ampersand die, you and me stamp set and watercolour butterfly cardstock stickers. An exclusive project inspiration guide is also included to help kickstart your creativity. For more information on Flowers and Ampersands Creativity Kit and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.